Hey guys, my name is Tabitha, and today I'm showing you a must-have for traveling with little ones. This car seat dolly is absolutely amazing. It comes with everything you need: the sturdy dolly, adjustable straps, easy to follow instructions, and a storage bag for compact storage when you're not using it or for convenience while you're traveling. Setting it up is super simple. Just lift out the handle from the dolly base and then push the locking bar down to secure it. Press the handle button to raise the handlebar, and then you can place the car seat, secure it with the straps, and you're ready to roll. It even has built-in bungee cords for extra stability, though I found the included straps work great on their own for our travel car seat. One of my favorite features are the smooth spinner wheels. Whether you're pushing or pulling, they glide effortlessly over different surfaces, perfect for breezing through the airport without breaking your back. When you're done, it folds down super compact, small enough to fit in your trunk while not taking up a ton of space. It's lightweight, durable, and crazy convenient. So if you're looking for an easy way to transport your car seat, or maybe you just need a sturdy little cart for everyday use, this one's a winner. I would definitely try it out.